Hi everyone, we just got back from Japan and we did the most amazing things, and this is one of them.
Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man.
As we just mentioned earlier, we just got back from a trip to Japan where we attended many different workshops doing all kinds of different projects. So today is the first one of those that we're going to show you where we etched glass using a sandblaster. Totally cool. We don't have a sandblaster ourselves, but we picked up some tips on maybe some ideas how we can do it chemically, and we'd like to apply this to some future projects where we make maybe some gift ideas for friends and family. So look out for gifts that might come your way someday. All right, so let's take a look at what we're going to do. But before we do that, if you like the video, as always, please subscribe, comment, or share with others, and
cue music.
Okay everybody, today we're in Sapporo, actually a city called Otaru up in Hokkaido. It's way up north. Even though it's June, it's rather cold and probably need to buy some more clothing because we didn't prepare for this one. Anyhow, today in this area they're kind of known for a couple things: glass making and for some reason music boxes. So we're going to go ahead and today take a look at what we can do with some etching of glasses. So we're going to a workshop on that. So let's go take a look at what we do.
The first step in the process was to select stencils of words or designs we want on the cups.
The stencils are essentially stickers, so you must peel them and apply them to the cup. We recently purchased a new camera for our trip, and it turned out we have not mastered it yet. Even the autofocus did not work well for us. Some of the clips we used here are totally out of focus, so we used what we could. Sorry.
After applying the stencils, you must tape the rest of the cup, but please be patient with the process. Now for the fun, use the sandblaster and blast each stencil.
The last step in the process is to pull off the stickers and tape to reveal how things worked out.
And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and next week we are going to show you how we crafted weaving.
So until then, bye-bye.
Hi everyone, we just got back from Japan and we did the most amazing things.
Oh,
and
my bad, you were perfect. You were perfect. I'm sorry. That way.